Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to take up the Bigfoot, or Mr. Scrappy as I like to call him, and have a little bit of fun. I'm running a 3300 HRB 3S inner. And people say they think this bird doesn't have enough power. I think it's got plenty of power. This is another one of those birds that I'm very, very comfortable with. And, but that's just me. Let's see if we can't get ourselves a landing here, so I'm not flying quite so high and away from the camera. Got those flaps all the way down, doing a little bit of wind surfing. And you know what? This wind is actually across the runway. So I'm going to have to land, I think I'm going to land towards me. So. We're just taking it kind of slow, kind of nice and easy. All right, I got my trim set wrong. There we go. All right, let's take a look, see what we got going here with Mr. Scrappy. Yeah, there we go, we're good. Just kind of feeling her out per se. Get a nice coordinated turn here in. Whoa. Not my best landing in the world. I like this overcast sky. I can really see the lights. She's flying like she's tail heavy for some reason. Maybe I got my battery. I must have my battery back too far. Alright, motor's off. Let's see where I got this battery. So it just seems to me like a little tail heavy. Let me move this battery forward a little bit. Just a touch. Just a touch. And that should, motor is off. Yeah, that should, yeah, it helps a little bit, I guess. We'll see. We shall see. All right. Huh. Well. Well, still seems like she's a little tail heavy. Well, now she's doing okay. Into the wind. All right. All right. Whoa. Typical tail dragger. Huh. Well, I think she's okay. All right, folks, let's switch batteries. I want to thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. This is Bigfoot. Motor off, or Mr. Scrappy, as I like to call him. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.